Here I have HUAWEI Y7 and let me show you how to insert here the micro SD and nano SIM card. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Afterwards, you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. So let's just simply use some thumb tag or special eject tool to open this first slot. Here I have the thumb tag. Let's just press it right here. And now you can remove the whole thing, so let me do it. Let's remove the whole tray. And here you can insert two cards. The nano SIM, so let's start by inserting the nano SIM. In the first slot, here I have the nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's just put this card in that position. Excellent. The second slot is more interesting because here you can also insert the nano SIM if you would like to, right here. And now you can use two SIM cards, or you may use it for the memory card. So let me use the memory card. Let me repair my first SIM card and let's insert the memory card. Of course, in that case it's micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and this is the properly prepared slot right here. Have a look. Now let's insert this whole thing, so let me turn it back, and here let's push it in that slot. Sorry, let me just hold my nano SIM again. Alright, and now let me press it right here. Let's push it to the end. Excellent. Now let's press power key. Let me switch on HUAWEI Y7. Let me make sure that both cards works properly. So as you can see, my device is turning on. Alright, let's unlock the screen. So let's find and select the settings. Here I have the settings icon. Under the settings tab, dual SIM settings, and as you can see, my device is reading my SIM card, so it's a good sign. Now let's go back. You may also scroll down and choose storage, memory and storage right here. As you can see, the phone is reading portable storage, so it means that our micro SD card is also working perfectly. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.